Hello guys, we've started our road trip to Daman. This is our second trip post lockdown. Hope we will have a lot of fun in this trip and we will get you a lot of updates in this journey. So stay tuned.
Hey people, this is AJ. We started our Daman trip and मुंबई से निकलते फाउंटेन के पास थोड़ा ट्रैफिक था एंड वो क्रॉस होने के बाद द ट्रैफिक वाज स्मूथ एंड लकीली द वेदर currently is outstanding. It is very pleasant. क्या मस्त लग रहा है यार. वो देखो, ये देखो, बादल, खाली रोड, मजा आ रहा है ड्राइव करने में. We recommend this. Okay, so Maggie, next stop कहाँ पे लेना है?
मुंबई से अहमदाबाद हाईवे पे जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है वो क्या है? वो श्री दत्ता वड़ा पाव.
श्री दत्त वड़ा पाव.
वहाँ पे रुकेंगे हम. आई एम जस्ट डाइंग टू हैव इट्स वड़ा पाव यार. कितने दिन हो गए.
Okay, so finally we have decided कि we're gonna stop at श्री दत्त वड़ा पाव. Okay, and वहाँ पे मस्त यम्मी वड़ा पाव एंड मिसल पाव भी है. मुझे मिसल पाव भी वहाँ का मस्त लगता है. So we're gonna have मिसल पाव as well.
ठीक है, चलो मिसल पाव एंड वड़ा पाव.
Okay, so done. So for time being, let's enjoy the ride.
So guys, we finally arrived at Sri Datta Snacks. So let's have a look at the entire scenario at the eatery before we order something.
Now we are at the Sri Datta Vada Pav Center. All know this is very famous here and it is completely safe. They have taken all the precautions. They have put tables outside so that you can really stand and eat. You can take a parcel and you can sit in your cars and eat as well. And I guess you should taste the Vada Pav here. It's
Yummy. So हम श्री दत्ता से निकल के 2 घंटे हो गए करीब and now we are almost entering Daman. We are almost reaching Daman and we have decided Daman because of its beaches, churches and the scenic beauty of the twin towns called Nani Daman and Moti Daman. So we thought why not we explore this union territory this weekend. फंडू ट्रैवल क्लब वेलकम्स यू टू दमन. दमन में आपका स्वागत है. सो हम लोग पहुंच गए. अभी ये रास्ता सीधा हमें लेके जाएगा हमारे रिसोर्ट के पास. वी हैव बुक्ड गोल्ड बीच रिसोर्ट. इट्स राइट ऑन द देवका बीच. सो हम रिसोर्ट जाएंगे. फिर रिसोर्ट में हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि रूम कैसा है, सब कुछ कैसा है रिसोर्ट का. We drive from Mumbai, so it took us 4 hours from Mumbai to reach this place with a stopover. If you're planning to come by train, the nearest railway station is Vapi.
So, this is our room. Isn't it beautiful? And this is the view from the room. It is just lovely. Look at the beach. This is Devka beach. The room is very clean. They have sanitized the entire room, and all the facilities are there. It is as it is, like it was before. Like, you know, you have drinking water, you have food in room service. The only thing is changed is there is this menu which you have to scan the code and get it on your mobile. That is something new, and it's quite interesting. So I'll come up with more updates. Till then, bye.
Okay guys, let me show you sunset at Devka Beach, Daman.
Awesome. We are having good time and we recommend this. You guys can come anytime. It's all open. No lockdown here, with all the precautions obviously. And it is awesome. Hey guys, so we are in
We are in Gold Beach Resort in Daman, and it was a just relaxing day today. We didn't do much. We just explored the resort. It's a very cozy and sweet resort. 2 floors and very few rooms, but you will definitely love this place. It is right next to the beach. You have a beach view of some rooms, and they are really marvelous. I am just waiting for the sunset tomorrow. So let me show you the resort. Hello guys, bye. I am gonna see you tomorrow morning.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज हम पहुंच गए हैं मोती दामन. मोती दामन is basically the old city of Daman. That is the bridge which is, dividing Moti Daman and Nani Daman. And आज हम पूरा आपको मोती दामन के बारे में बताएंगे. हम पूरा यहाँ पे आपको दिखाएंगे. पहले ये देख लो मोती दामन के नज़ारे. ये एक्चुअली मोती दामन एक पुराना फोर्ट के अंदर सारे गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस और सब कुछ है. ये जेटी गार्डन है जहाँ पे शिप्स पार्क्ड रहते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ बेसिक मोर ऑफ अ कमर्शियल एरिया. एंड यहाँ से ना हमें वो लाइट हाउस दिखेगा. हम आपको वो लाइट हाउस के पास लेके जाएंगे. वो लाइट हाउस के पास जामपोरे बीच भी है. हम लाइट हाउस से सनसेट कैसे रहेगा वो देखते हैं. And as soon as we entered, we got a feeling of Goa. The roads are very clean. Hello guys, we have reached the lighthouse. So let me just show you around. There are many important places, tourist places in Daman. The first is the Bom Jesus Church, Our Lady of Sea Church, forts of Moti Daman and Nani Daman, Jampore Beach, Devka Beach, Moti Daman Jetty, which we have just been to, and other places as well. Now that we are here, I heard sunsets from this point are an amazing view. I personally love sunsets. So let me walk you to the corner of this place. This is the lighthouse. This is the nearer view of the lighthouse. So let's go to the corner. The government has taken extra efforts to promote tourism. There are a lot of constructions going around the city, and I find it very interesting that tourism has been promoted in vast way. Uh, there, from this place, you can see the entire coastline of Jampore Beach. How beautiful the sunset is. If you are sucker for coastlines and if you are sucker for sunsets, you have to visit this place. You get amazing pictures and visit right before the sunset because you will definitely love it here. फंडू ट्रैवल क्लब के सारे दर्शकों के लिए
जो यहाँ पे नहीं है मेरे साथ, जो सनसेट नहीं देख सकते, मैं सबके लिए एक प्यारा सा सनसेट व्यू लाई हूँ मोती दमन फोर्ट से. You will definitely love this. I am a sunset lover, so I hope you love this too. Let's see the sunset. So ये रहा. The sun is setting in some time, but I'm just loving this view. Definitely, if you're from Mumbai, if you're from Maharashtra, you should drive to Daman. If you're from Gujarat, also you should drive to Daman. If you're coming from somewhere else, also please visit Daman. This is a very beautiful place. People, so we are at Devka Beach today. There's a lot of development going on. There are new things coming up here. So it is entirely under construction. I'll take you to the beach. Let's have a look around. See, there's the construction going on. So I guess there are some new things coming up in few months mostly, so it's gonna be fun. This is basically a kind of rock beach, and let's see what are all the new constructions coming up. From the locals, they're saying that there are new developments happening. There's an amusement park coming.
And I guess there are shacks also coming up. Exactly, we don't know, but maybe the shacks are also coming up. There's a road straight coming up there.
So this is all about Devka Beach. So we have reached Jampore Beach. The beach is on the right side, and they've just constructed the structures here for sitting and for chilling in the evening. Still, the construction work is going on, and due to the corona, they've stopped basically for some time. So this is the beach on the right. We're gonna take you there in few minutes. Hello guys, we are at the Jampore beach right now. So this is the most famous Jampore beach.
Compared to Devka Beach, Jampore is considered as the cleanliest beach.
So you can see it's a very scenic view.
Evenings would be a great time to hang out here. You know, you're just coming for a holiday. You can just sit around and enjoy your time at this beach in the evening. The climate is mostly hot in the mornings and all, but in the evenings, around 5 o'clock, the climate turns into pleasant, and you can enjoy the time then.
As you can see, it is very well built. Sitting here in the evening would be great. It is a long stretch, beautifully done. A morning walk is also a good idea.
So there is a parking lot there. You can park your vehicle. If you are coming in a vehicle, you can park your vehicle there. The road is very well done. So let's come with me. I'm gonna show you the beach. So that's it. So this is the beach, and this is all about Daman. I would tell you a few precautions. I've seen there are not much cases in Daman, and I guess this is the new normal. We should start living with it. And the traveling I experience, it is very safe. We've traveled from Mumbai by road. It is a safe place. It is a safe place from Mumbai. Like the entire highway we travel, there were outlets which are open, food outlets which are open and all, and it is very safe, I would say. And rather than just sitting at home and sulking that what 2020 has done it, let's come out with all the safety and precautions. Let's enjoy what it is.
Please follow us and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel, because we will get you more and more updates from our
Travel trip.
Until then, signing off. Bye.